Do you know what kind of jet that is? Because I have no idea.
Neither do I, to be honest.
I'll look it up, though. I'll get the tail number after this. I'll look it up.
Yeah, I saw X-Ray Alpha Dash Sierra Oscar Romeo, so...
Well, I'll stop it. I'll stop my video. Is there one landing too?
Yep, right overhead.
Oh, yeah? All right.
Yay! This was an unexpected visit.
It's funny, I come down here too to go to the dentist in Fort Lee, and then I come here also afterwards.
We got our appointment up in Hackensack.
That's good.
Oh wait, this is Hackensack. Or no,
This is Teterboro. We're right next to Hackensack. All right.